खुद को विकास की मुख्य धारा से जोड़ रहे हैं।
Viewers, an intelligence-based operation, Amritsar Rural Police, in close coordination with central agencies, apprehends 2 terror operatives, Mehak Deep Singh and Mehak and Aditya Adi from Amritsar, and recovers 1 rocket-propelled grenade RPG. Now, preliminary investigation reveals that the accused were in contact with Pakistan's ISI operative who had sent the weapon, and with Harpreet Singh Wiki currently lodged in Firozpur jail. RPG was intended for a targeted terror attack. FIR has been registered at the police station. Amritsar, further investigation is underway, viewers. So we have those pictures. This is the 2 ISI operatives which have been. In fact, what we see is 1 RPG has been recovered. 1 RPG has been recovered in Amritsar. So we have those pictures out for you as well. There's a big update coming in right now, viewers of Republic TV. In an intelligence-based operation, Amritsar Rural Police, in close coordination with the central agencies, has apprehended 2 terror operatives. And the names are Mehak Deep Singh, Mehak and Aditya Adi. And they both are from Amritsar. 1 rocket-propelled grenade has been recovered. The investigation is underway. You can see that this is the 1 RPG which has been recovered in Amritsar. Off the coast of Goa, Prime Minister Modi boarded the aircraft carrier INS Vikrant that delivered a clear message to Pakistan in his address. He praised India's naval strength and said that INS Vikrant helped choke Pakistan's sea options with its might. The Prime Minister called INS Vikrant a symbol of Atmanirbhar Bharat, a self-reliant India in defense. He also called how the ship, once Asia's first carrier, is now a symbol of India's strong arrival on the world naval stage, and that India will not tolerate threats to its security and that our armed forces are ready.
साथियों, हमारा INS विक्रांत आज आत्मनिर्भर भारत और मेड इन इंडिया का बहुत बड़ा प्रतीक है। महासागर को चीरता हुआ स्वदेशी INS विक्रांत भारत की सैन्य क्षमता का प्रतिबिंब है। अभी कुछ ही महीने पहले हमने देखा है, विक्रांत ने अपने नाम से ही पूरे पाकिस्तान की रातों की नींद उड़ा दी थी। जिसका नाम ही दुश्मन के साहस का अंत कर दे, वो है INS विक्रांत। वो है